How wonderful it's to have you here. Thank you for visiting my website. You can call me Nushin. I'm coming from Iran, a country in the Middle East, to the beautiful country of Australia, and finally to my home in the New South Wales, Sydney. I'm currently studying a Master of Teaching degree at the secondary level to become a qualified teacher with the New South Wales Department of Education, thanks to a departmental scholarship. My teaching areas are in physics and engineering technologies of TAS Department, Technology and Applied Science, at the Southern Cross University, following a postgraduate degree in electronics engineering from the Australian National University ANU in 2021. I have two little kids, a 2-year-old boy Arvin and a 1-year-old boy Aydin. My current hobby is playing with my kids after school hours. I enjoy working at a school as a full-time task teacher assistant, focusing on digital technology, food technology, textile, and woodworking. My decision to become a teacher was influenced by a strong desire to make a meaningful difference in students' lives, both academically and personally. Also, I believe that the teaching job offers me the best balance between my life and future career. My attitude toward educational technology is balanced and reflective. I view digital educational tools as powerful instruments for enhancing students' learning when used purposefully and pedagogically. As an engineer, my digital literacy skills include information and data literacy, technical and software proficiency, digital communication and collaboration, digital problem solving and innovation. In my secondary context, especially in technology and applied science, technology plays a significant role in deepening students' engagement, differentiating instruction, and preparing students for participation in a digital society. I will apply my digital literacy skills to my lesson plans to have a productive and effective teaching for my students. Thanks for watching my video.